Hello again, Miles. Today I'm reviewing the podcast The Rabbit Hole. This is Quantified Software. So, The Rabbit Hole is a podcast from Stride Consulting out in New York City. They say they're proudly based in Brooklyn, I believe. They bill themselves as the definitive developer podcast. And I would say that that's roughly hits the mark. So, the key here is that they are a group of web developers, very experienced. It seems that each of them has in the range of 10 years experience, so have been there and seen different things happening. But they are really focused on a particular scale of project, number of teams that they've worked on, number of people on those teams, the complexity of the projects they've worked on generally seems to be either B2B or B2C websites, not huge volume, not high latency requirements, security requirements did not seem to be overly intense. So it's bounded on some of the extremes of from what their experience is, as well as in one of their podcasts, they were talking about project management tools and some of the different ways to track tickets and the like. And they were talking about Jira being heavyweight and the like. So that gave me a sense that they maybe had not worked in an environment where you had massive divisions all trying to work together on the same sort of software. So bounded inside of that context, they very much seem to be craftsmen talking about how to do the craft better, which I think they did a great job at it. The delivery, the style was wonderful. It was entertaining, maybe a bit broy, but it was fine. I enjoyed walking around the house, mowing the lawn, listening to a few podcasts, hearing some takes. They clearly had some inside jokes about GraphQL and the like. So generally good, but I'm not sure it's really what we're looking for. It does not seem to be the type of conversation that we're looking for. So I'm glad I went down the rabbit hole. I'm glad I took the time to listen and hear some of the voices. Definitely have some good things. So if you are a developer out there and you're looking to hone your craft, to sharpen your tools, as it were, I would definitely recommend it. Definitely there. So keep learning. See you online, and don't forget to subscribe.